I want to talk about how to use Google Keep to really customize it and take notes for yourself, keep running to-do lists, even use this as an assignment notebook. So if you haven't ever been to Google Keep before, it's keep.google.com. And one thing I recommend is that you actually can right-click and pin the tab all the way up in the corner of your screen. That way you can always get to it during the day. What you can do with Google Keep is you can create a new note. I can add an image to this list, and I can change the color of this list, and I can really kind of customize my work. So one of the things that I do is I have a Google Slides file called Google Keep List Titles. It's a Google Slides file that I used a 16 by 16 page setup. So down in File, Page Setup, Custom 16 by 16. And then I basically change the color of the background. I will add text boxes. You can even add word art and make it fit like word art. You can add emoji. You can add images. If you've never messed with the format options to create these drop shadows, that's really fun. And you can basically make as many titles as you want, go in and fix them, whatever. And then when you're ready, you just file download as JPEG or PNG, doesn't matter. So now what happens is in my Google Keep, I can go in, add an image. It will post up to the top of my list. And I like to go in and change the color of my list so that they kind of, match. And then this would be my little to-do list. Now, I could go in and I could make lists for each of my subjects that I have. You could see that I made one, one for homework, one for reminders. I just love how it looks when they're all done and lined up together. And then what I especially like to do is in my email inbox, I will click Google Keep, and then my notes line up on the side. So if I have my to-do list or something or people I have to email, I can do a bunch of my work here, and then I can check off items here. So this is a great way to stay organized, I think, as a student or as a teacher, and a really easy way to kind of make your headings for your Google Keep lists.